Our ambition for Aston Law School graduates is that they are future ready. So it's really important that we teach the core legal subjects deeply.
We're academically rigorous, but also we offer the skill sets that you need to succeed, whether in a legal profession or in any other profession once you graduate.
We've spent the last 12 months talking with future employers to talk to them about what they want from their graduate intake. We know what it takes, and we're embedding that into the law programme at Aston.
We offer you these pathways, and we say that you can have these core modules that will get you to prepare to become a solicitor, to become a barrister. But a law degree should also be what you want it to be and what's going to work for you and what you're interested in. It's not just the contract law, the criminal law, but the law in context.
I think what's most unique about the law course at Aston is the fact that every module option you have is tailored towards that commercial side of things.
It wasn't too theoretical. There was always, well, what is the commercial implications of this? How would a business react? How would a firm react? I think that for me was what really set it apart and what was really beneficial.
We're not as big as some law schools, so that means that our students are a name, not a number. They have great connections with the law school staff.
Being the first person in my family to go to university, not only was it a big achievement, but it also came with some concerns. Being a slightly smaller cohort, I was able to not only get a lot of support academically, but I feel like outside the classroom, I was also able to get support with my careers and employability aspects.
Every student is assigned a personal tutor. Come and talk to us. We want to help you through your degree, not just because we want you to academically succeed, but because we want you to enjoy your degree and we want you to be prepared for the career and life that you're taking on after graduation.
Our location is also distinctive. We're right in the heart of Birmingham city centre.
Being from Birmingham, born and raised, I was very keen on working in Birmingham for my legal career. A lot of organisations are moving from the City of London to Birmingham, so Aston, with its pre-established relationships, was a big factor in me choosing to come here.
I did my placement working in the paralegal department of an international law firm. I gained experience in areas of employment law, corporate law, commercial law, and this was a fantastic opportunity that really helped kickstart my career.
I completed my placement here at the Birmingham People Centre, which is an employment law charity based in the Midlands. I found that when applying for jobs and getting my training contracts, I found a lot of it was transferable. So when I was on the vacation schemes, I was doing similar work, interacting with clients, other employers.
I really feel that coming to Aston as my first choice university changed who I was as a person. I feel more than adequately prepared to enter graduate employment, and I think at the end of the day that's the most valuable thing you can gain from university, is a sense of where you're going and how to get there.